Shkodra in northwestern Albania shares Lake Shkodra with Montenegro. It was the capital of Albania until 1920, when it was replaced by Tirana. This is the last city you visit in Albania before leaving the country. You do not know where are you going yet, but you know you have to go. You will miss its people, its traditions and its culture, its nature and its food. But before your departure, you must visit some places. The first is the Mess Bridge. A friendly Italian takes you to the bridge. Built in 1780, it is 108 meters long, and it used to connect with the path to Pristina, in what is now Kosovo. There is something beautiful and intriguing about the bridge. The turquoise blue of the Kir River below is incredible, and although the banks of the river are not clean, the water is, probably due to the force of the current itself, which cleans everything in its path. You soak your feet in the freezing water. It refreshes you, but it does not invite you to swim. It is very cold. You imagine the same place, but in Ottoman times, the same bridge, but full of life and movement. You compare the Ottoman bridge against the current one, the beauty against the practicality, the texture of the stones against the smoothness of the concrete. Only one of them is worthy of being photographed. You walk back to the center of Shkodra. Among the cars and motorcycles, you see horses and farm animals and cats. And also more garbage. It is sad to think about it, and even sadder to see it so often. Along the way, there are also some reminders that accidents happen, that people die, even when young, and that conflicts leave scars, and also reminders that a good game of chess is enjoyed among friends. People selling used things on the street, the monumental buildings full of meaning. Traveling for you is this, something as simple as witnessing life unfolding and remembering the life that was. Rozafa Castle is that, there at the top of a hill 130 meters above sea level, watchful of the comings and goings of village life, surrounded by the Bohana and Drin rivers, Illyrians, Romans, and all the civilizations that have settled in Shkodra have used Rozafa Hill. The fortification that is still standing is of Venetian origin and was the site of important battles. The Ottoman siege of Shkodra in 1478 and the Montenegrin siege in 1912. Its walls witness so much history, its paths traveled by so many, and its views observed during events that changed the course of Albania. You do not tire of visiting every corner of the castle, inside and out. The view from there is wonderful. But eventually, you must leave. There are still a couple of places to visit, like the Shamia Eplumbit Mosque. The mosques that you got so used to in Turkey, which were so strange at first, and now they are so familiar to you. And the style of the tombs you have come to appreciate so much. You want to say goodbye to Albania by visiting one of the most beautiful and largest lakes in the Balkans, Lake Shkodra. Although its banks are also dirty, it still has a spectacular view. You still have not decided where to go next. So you ask how easy it is to go to Montenegro from here. It turns out that it is extremely easy, but you still have your doubts. Pizza always helps you think better, so you go for one. Then you walk one last time around the lake. It is time to say goodbye to Albania. Which path will you take?